scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Java code is tricky when methods print inside if statements. Let's solve this short-circuiting logic puzzle and find the correct output fast. First, we call alpha with w equal to 1. Inside alpha, x becomes 2 and prints immediately. Then the method returns 2 plus 1, which gives us a result of 3. Since 3 is greater than 0, the OR condition is true. Because of short-circuiting, beta never runs. We enter the if block and call the alpha method one more time.
This second alpha call prints 2. Finally, it returns 3, which main prints. Putting it all together, we get 2, 2, 3.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to call every method. Trust short-circuiting rules for success.